Welcome back to Lindsey Acres Farm. I'm Buddy Lindsey, and let's talk about maintenance of your tool surfaces and the fact that I don't keep up with them and they look like this, and like this, and like this, and overall just not really all that great. So let's go ahead and see about cleaning them up, and let's see if the same procedure works on all the surfaces. So here's the deal. We got to deal with rust, and then we've got to prep this, and then we've got to basically kind of put a protective layer over it so that it stays nice. The theory is that we will take some mineral spirits, we'll clean it off, we'll take a Scotch-Brite pad, get off all the rust. If it's really rusty, we'll take our WD-40 and spray on there to get the rust to disconnect. Then we'll wipe it all down with some mineral spirits again, get it super duper clean, and then we'll come back with some paste wax, and that not only protects the surface but also helps it make it slicker so that you can run stuff across it. That's the theory. It definitely works on the table saw, which I've done before, and it works on my jointer, but let's see if it works on my bandsaw and my drill press that have kind of got a little hit with water because they were in a bad spot. So let's start with the table saw. We'll make sure this works, and then we'll move from each tool to tool. And with that, these surfaces are done and protected. I actually finished a few days ago, and I wanted to go ahead and use everything for a little bit just to verify that everything looked good. As you can see with the table saw,
the drill press and the bandsaw, everything looks pretty good still. I went ahead and touched up the planer as well just to make sure it stayed in good shape. But after using it for a few days, I am happy to say it is still working. I'm glad that everything works on all the tools because I haven't actually seen anyone do this kind of work with all the tools. So with that, I thank you for watching. I thank you for your time, and I will see you next time where we build something. Have a good one.